A massive thank you for Big Wash mobile truck wash company who came around to our yard and cleaned up the Argosy. It was definitely well overdue, and you can see how well they cleaned it, attending to the crane and all the nitty-gritty area. They mostly done it with a pressure wash as usual, but I could see that they were cleaning the mirrors, lights, etc. So I'm very impressed with their work and highly recommended. Big Wash. And these people are also EPA approved, and therefore if you are parking your vehicles at our yard at 52 to 60 Market Road, Brooklyn, you will be able to book these guys to clean your fleet. Thanks guys, all the best.